to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be all about FC Road haul. So I went to Pune a couple of days back and I couldn't miss going to the most beautiful street for all of the shopaholics, which is the FC Road. So I've got a bunch of things from there and I would love to show you what all I got. So starting with the first piece, this time I shopped a lot less in terms of accessories and footwear. I didn't go much for it, and any which ways my shopping was a bit minimal because I was in a hurry. I had to go to some other place, so I had less time at FC Road, as a result of which I was not able to pick a lot of stuff, but whatever I have today, I'll be showing it to you guys. I'm so excited. Okay, let's stop acting childish, Adwaita, and let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I bought from FC Road are these bangles. Oh my god, I'm sure you guys must be wondering upon the fact that what is this something which the sound of which is always bothering in the video. It is this, guys. I love jewelry which has like these kinds of ghungru around it, and I didn't had a darker version. Like, I'll show you. I have this ये color का oxidized bangle, but I didn't own this one, as a result of which I thought कि चलो, it's a steal deal and I should have it in my wardrobe. So I got both of these bangles for 150, which I feel is a good price for the quality of both of the bangles. Okay, so next up I got both of these bags from there, and I got both the bags for 500. I was literally amazed because I was not having this basic white which I feel every woman should have in her wardrobe, and since this color is getting my attention these days, the cherry red color, as a result of which I got it. I was in so much search of a similar color footwear there, but I didn't get it, and as a result I didn't shop much when it comes to the footwear. Sorry for the camera adjustments. Okay, so yeah, both of these I got for 500. यार मतलब मैं तो ना पागल हो गई थी, पता है कि दो bags 500 के, like 250 each. I was literally blown away because back then I had purchased a similar bag. ऐसी ही थी वो, and in fact smaller than this. I got that from Hill Road and that was like one bag was for 400. So मैं इतनी मतलब मैं खुशी के मारे I can't tell you what my reaction was. मैं पागल हो गई थी. So I just got both of them and I love the colors. It's amazing. Okay, after which I got this short kurti, and it's backless, you guys. So I've always wanted such kind of kurti like this, and shortly I'll be styling this on my YouTube channel, so stay tuned. And yeah, it's amazing. It's a little see-through, but I mean, when I wore it, it wasn't. So I feel it's nice, and luckily it's also fitting me. It's just that it's a little deep neck, so to be on the safer side you can either use boob tapes or you can wear a strapless bra so that you know the linings of your inner isn't visible. So yes, I love it so much. I mean, I wish I would be able to, like, you know, wear ये दोनों चीज़ें together to a college, but sadly engineering colleges do not allow you to do so. But any which ways I'll be styling this. I love it so much. Now, so I bought 3 tops. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ एक एक करके. First is this, the cheetah print noodle strapped top, and these days I you know, whenever I shop I always look for something that has like pads underneath so that you don't have to worry much कि हम इसके अंदर अभी क्या पहने. Okay, so I'm always like, these days whenever I'm looking for tanks or tees like that, I always see that it is, you know, especially for sleeves like these noodle straps, so it becomes very cumbersome for us to think कि यार मतलब इसमें क्या अब मैं, you know, I wear inside. So yes, this one. And from the same shop I got this as well. Camera glitch. Okay, so from this one and from the same shop I got this as well. Ruko. क्लमजी। अरे यार, अब इसको ठीक करके मैं मिलती हूँ, रुको. Okay, so this one, the whole and sole reason of buying this particular top was because of its color, because I didn't own something that was in this shade. So I got this, and yeah, as I said, from the same shop, both of which costed me at 500. So I feel it was a steal deal. Now, so I bought 3 tops. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ एक एक करके. First is this, the cheetah print noodle strapped top, and these days I whenever I shop I always look for something that has like pads underneath, so that you don't have to worry much कि हम इसके अंदर अभी क्या पहने. Okay, so I'm always like, these days whenever I'm looking for tanks or tees like that, I always see that it is, especially for sleeves like these noodle straps, so it becomes very cumbersome for us to think कि यार मतलब इसमें क्या, अब मैं I wear inside. So yes, this one, and from the same shop I got this as well.
Uh-oh.
Camera glitch. Okay, so from this one and from the same shop I got this as well. Ruko. क्लमजी. अरे यार, अब इसको ठीक करके मैं मिलती हूँ, रुको. Okay, so this one, the whole and sole reason of buying this particular top was because of its color, because I didn't own something that was in this shade. So I got this, and yeah, as I said, from the same shop, both of which costed me at 500. So I feel it was a steal deal. So from the next shop I got this particular full sleeves shirt, and you know what, I literally felt for the fabric of this. It is so soft. It's like, it feels as if I'm wearing some kind of thermals, and for a person like me, मुझे ठंड बिल्कुल भी सहन नहीं होती, because for the past 18 years of my life I have been in Mumbai, and you know what Mumbai winters are, right? So ठंड नामक चीज़ हम मुंबईकर्स, we don't know until and unless you are belonging from somewhere else. So yes, and then as I said, I went for these, the one and only footwear that I purchased from there was this Bellies, because see, earlier, like, I have loads of Bellies right now also at my house, and मैं ना heels बहुत कम पहनती हूँ, because already like my height is 5'7", and I'm not much fond of heels, although there was like beautiful collection of heels out there, but since I don't wear it, even if it's inexpensive, I don't find it worth to invest, because why? I mean, own some pairs of heels in my closet, but इस time मुझे नहीं जाना था for any kinds of heels, and as a result I got these flats, ऐसे loafer type दिखते हैं, they look formal again for colleges. I also need to go for like a rainy shoes shopping that I forgot to do there, but who cares, we'll go again. We have Hill Road, we also have loads of flea market in Mumbai, and surely going to purchase from there again. Okay, so I got this for 300 ही था शायद, वहाँ पे काफ़ी चीज़ें 300 की थी. So yes, that, oh रुको, और भी है, रुको. Last but definitely not the least, घर पे पहनने के लिए I went for some shorts, because मेरे घर पे shorts नहीं थे मेरे पास, एक ही है फ़िलहाल मेरे wardrobe में, as a result of which I thought to stock it up. So this is a grey shorts that I purchased, and एक red वाली मैंने purchase करी, again both of them 250. I wanted something like in a darker color as well, so as a result of which I ended up getting a red one and a grey shorts, both of it, as I said, it's again for 500. So guys, that is it for the FC Road haul video. I hope you guys liked my finds, and let me be pretty honest, this was everything that my closet actually lacked. So I didn't go for unnecessary shopping that way. I mean, only what was not there in my closet, I've gone for it. So if you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Advaita V. Bye bye my precious gems.